Good afternoon. It's 13 minutes past 3 and I'm trying to hurry up. I should have cooked this from about 1 o'clock. That was the plan, to cook before 2 o'clock, but plan don't work out. But it's okay, as long as we're eating, we're so grateful and thankful to God.
You have to fry them first?
Really? We're not frying? Oh, wrong thing, wrong.
Hello.
Some butter.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Careful, hot fire. The other things that I'm making also ackee and saltfish. So the meal for today is just some steamed fish. I'm making that mainly for Dan, and then we're having ackee and saltfish, and I have some frozen breadfruit I'm going to fry, and probably some festival. Let me see how I feel. But if I'm doing festival, if we're going to have festival, I'm not the one cooking it, Dan, because Dan cook it better than I do. This is my saltfish. Missing them already. It feels so weird because I don't like being away from my children. I just like having them around me, and that is why I have so many children. Yes, I like the crowd. When it comes to a big family, that's me. I'm going to get this ready. Add a bit of oil for the ackee and saltfish. Some coconut milk and hot soup for the fish. Good, done. Where's some other fish?